Guys, it's terrible out here. Four-wheel drive is on. Yeah, oh shit. God damn. Whee! Uh-oh. Brakes? Good luck applying brakes. The snow is like really slushy and really like there's no grip in it at all. Now I'm doing about 30 miles an hour. "40 really helps him." Whee! That's a pretty cool blow. Look at this. The streets are like covered. You can't see the street. You know what I like to do? Show the snow. That's the shit though. Get your ass exercising. Yeah, that's right. Get those lazy bones out of those couches and get them shoveling. Can't turn the wipers off because the windows are getting really, really wet fast. We have a car sitting to the side up there. I saw an old guy in that car. I think he's probably afraid to drive in it. This is lovely. You can't see that light on the other side of the bridge. I have no idea where the lane is, so just, you know, driving right over it. I can't see that light that's over there. There's a school light over there. Can't see it. And it's only like 500 feet from me. So visibility is very low. Turned yellow. Back on gas. No spin. That is so sick. Okay, calm down. Calm down. It's like 35. Alright. Got a person walking on the street. Move over! There's very little snow out here. Space. Yeah, guys, I was just going to the B&B. That's right around the corner. Alright, thanks for watching.